Hi guys, welcome to another video for Advanced in Car. Today, or actually, well, yesterday, we were working on this really nice little T6 that's been fully converted, and the family that own it clearly gone lots of nice holidays and stuff. It's all been really nicely decked out inside, and they've come to us for those final little touches just to make it a bit nicer to use. So Halo 9, a better speaker upgrade, a reversing camera, and then the new breed of Thinkware dash camera, just for that kind of on the road bit of security and safety. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at Thinkware first, because like I said, it's the new breed of Thinkware. So it looks a bit like the older style, so the Q850, which we really like just because of the fitment next to the mirror, and you can install it really nice and neatly. But with these new ones, obviously you get your 2K very high quality HD recording on the front camera, and still you get your full HD on the rear camera. You get your super night vision still, so at night time there's it's really clear footage basically. So if obviously everything was happening, then all that footage is easy to trawl through and find out what's gone on. And then you've obviously still got all your standard features like lane departure and things like that. But the main difference with these new breed is the Thinkware Connected app, which means what you can do is, if your vehicle already has like a Wi-Fi module built into it, or you buy the Thinkware separate Wi-Fi module that you can get, it can then be connected to that, and then you can check out your vehicle and your footage and what's going on with your vehicle from anywhere, basically straight to your phone. You can also link up multiple vehicles to that same app, so you can either protect all your family's cars, or if you're a business with fleet sort of cars, you can do all that as well. So it's a really good feature that enables you to check on your car all the time, rather than having to come back to it and go, oh no, you know what's happened. So yes, really nice smart camera that fits well with all the new up-to-date features, which you can check out. I'm sure we'll be fitting a lot more of them. So we'll head around to the back and check out the reversing camera. Right, so at the rear obviously we've fitted our standard fitting kind of aftermarket reversing camera. Nice small footprint on it, so it's not big and bulky looking, doesn't hang down or anything like that. It's got good IPA rating on it, so it will deal with standard British weather. Obviously, blasting a pressure washer at it probably isn't going to do it much good, but in terms of general weather and washing and things like that, it's going to work a treat. It's got good clear lens on it and everything, so the footage you get through, the view you get through on your, especially with the Alpine with the HD screen, is really nice and clear. Gives you a good field of view, and as you'll see when we jump in, you can see the back of the van and obviously way out behind you. So yes, really good, good working little camera, well designed, worked a treat. So we'll jump forwards and have a look at the rest of the goodies. Okay, so Halo 9 is just sitting really nicely in the dash. They look really good in these actually, work a treat as well. And you've still got the mobility obviously to then tilt it and get to the little cubby hole underneath, so you can pop stuff in there. Obviously my phone at the moment is just plugged in, just through ease, into the USB that we've retained, so therefore it gives us our Apple CarPlay and therefore maps and music and all that sort of jazz. And then obviously you can use it all through the steering wheel still and everything. Camera, because it's an aftermarket camera, is hooked up to ignition, so we can use the camera button, and there's the good decent view I was telling you about earlier. Or we can obviously hook into reverse, and we then still get that rear camera view. That was just the parking sensors going off there. Obviously we've got lots of run series with Alpines, how they work and everything, but the main point is it's just finishing off this van a treat. These people obviously use this van a lot, go on lots of little trips to places. I think by the looks of it, they're in various dub clubs and stuff. So having all these extra pieces in the van is just going to make it a nicer place to be and a nicer vehicle to use. So that's about it really. It'd be nice to hand this one over. I think they're going to be pretty excited. So that's it. So if you've got a T6 like this, or a 6.1, or a van or car or anything, and you want to get those final touches in to make it a nicer place to be, and also modernise it a bit with your phone connectivity and stuff, and a bit of added extra security with the Thinkware camera, then get in touch, fill out the contact form or give us a bell, come and see us, and we'll do our best to sort something out for you. As always, follow us on all the socials, check out some more videos and things, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.